Hello, worldwide. Now, trust really needs to come back in the community, among the people. It's really important. Nobody don't trust nobody. Nobody doesn't dare to ask for help. Nobody doesn't even want to try and accept help. To me, like I am saying, this is how I'm dealing with trust now. Well, how I always dealt with it, but now I'll be more careful on the people that I really select. Because me, you can't treat everybody the same. You can't, if you meet a new person, you can't have prejudgments about that person. What I will say is, your actions prove who you are. Not to say that people can't correct their actions, because there really is a lot against people, and everybody wants to, right now, they're trying to throw it off of mental health. It's not that. It's the society. It's that everybody's living in fear. It's that nobody wants to speak. If you keeping everything in, that does something to you. And the longer you keep something in, that's why a lot of people right now, they just kill people, because they all have a bunch of pent up aggression. They need to talk. I had the same before I came to social media. I could, like, if you go back to my Facebook and you watch the first few videos, like now when you know when I'm mad about something, my tone will raise. But there's a difference between now and then. And that difference, I would say, is similar to, like, if you're going to deal with the governments, if you're going to deal with the police. You can get mad. You can raise your tone. Don't cuss. Don't get disrespectful. But to rebuild trust, the BBS will be doing that. Why do I say that? Because most of people's problems right now is money. Everybody wants to have the thing about money. I don't respect money like that neither. Fact of the matter is, you need money to survive in this world. Money has to be there. So me, I never had, this is why I ain't got money like that around me now, because I always spend it with everybody. This is where the BBS comes in for me. I call BBS for me the gift from God, because besides just talking like this, what I was doing on the normal social medias, the people now that actually join on, well, on the BBS first, you are making money. It's that simple. But everybody want to play, oh yeah, money ain't nothing.